In our increasingly digital world, there are more ways than ever to express ourselves and connect with others. Creating content might sound like something you need a lot of fancy skills and equipment for, but anyone can get started with just a smartphone or tablet. Whether you aspire to be a YouTube or IGTV star, want to create videos for a blog or website, or just work on a personal project, we've got some top tips for you. First of all, you don't need to convert your living room into a studio and save up for a top-of-the-range camera just to get started. The latest smartphones and tablets have awesome capabilities for capturing quality video, so if you've got some great ideas, don't put off getting the ball rolling, just go for it. When it comes to filming, it's all in the setup. Choose a background carefully. Do you want something plain and simple or a little more interesting? Whatever it is, just make sure it doesn't distract from you or the subject of the video. As you're just getting started, why not get creative with some items you have around the house to create the perfect setup? It is worth investing in a tripod, but it's easy to pick these up at bargain prices. Check for differences in quality in the different cameras your device has. It can be trickier to film with your rear camera, but it might be well worth it. Try experimenting with some different types of shot to keep your viewers engaged. And when you've found the perfect shot, make sure the subject of the video is well positioned, either nice and central or perhaps in one of the outer thirds to leave room for overlays. Make sure you're filming somewhere nice and quiet without interruptions or too much echo or background noise. You could even consider getting an inexpensive lapel mic to help. Okay, you're all set. Get filming, and when you're done, decide where you'll be sharing your masterpiece. Here are a few useful tips that you'll need along the way. Build your brand by creating a logo or some social content. Canva is a great free app with loads of templates for everything from video thumbnails to YouTube channel art. If YouTube is going to be your chosen outlet, you'll definitely need the Studio app. Here you can edit your video thumbnail, schedule its publish date, and track insights, analytics, and much more. For more top tips, follow the Discovery team on social media and be sure to subscribe to 3UK here on YouTube. Stay tuned for our next instalment where we'll show you how to edit video on your mobile.